Okay, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for the next week lesson. Since for the next week, we will have the next week is the review week, right? It means you will review all the homework from the first week, taken from 14 July.
Yes.
Okay, so here I will open from the first homework and we start from the science first. Okay, we can start from the question number one, Miss.
Yeah. What is pollination? It's bee moving pollen from anther to stigma. Where is pollen made in a flower? It's C, anther. What part of the flower catches the pollen? It's stigma, B. Number four.
Okay.
Um, what happened after pollination? It's B, fertilization happens.
Yeah.
What does the pollen tube do? It carries pollen to the ovary. Number six, what part contain the egg? It's ovary. I'm sorry. What is fertilization in plants? It's the joining of pollen and egg. Number eight, what is the role of petals? It's B, to attract insect for pollination.
Okay. Next question.
Mention for reproduction of flowering plant processes. It's germination, pollination, seed dispersal, and then fertilization. Joining of male and female cells called pollination. The flower can produce its
No, sorry, Miss. For the question number two, is not correct. Sorry.
joining of male and female cells is called fertilization.
Yeah, fertilization. So just now you answer about pollination, right?
Yes.
Can you mention the difference between pollination and fertilization here?
Okay. Pollination it's just a process when the anther touch the stigma or fly to the stigma, and the fertilization it's like when the process after the pollination happen.
Okay.
The flower can produce flower of course every week. But mean the produce is like having each day of the things.
Produce? No, it's not. Oh my God. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, it's not the answer of the produce actually.
Yeah, because I will not put some kind of the meaning of the word. I will focus on the thing like joining female and male in the exam. So we'll have the vocabulary list. I will not put in the exam.
Yeah, but you don't tell them the question letter, right? I mean, you don't. For the next week, it's about reviewing the homework, right? It means
Yes,
this one will be discussed all.
yes, discuss. But the important things is the I will the student need to able to know about the pollination. But later I will say the vocabulary I will not put in the exam. So it will
Okay.
necessary if they uh, study about this too hard. So I will focus on the material.
Okay, I see. Okay, next question number four.
Name two part of the flower are male reproductive. It's anther and stamen.
Okay, next question.
What is reproductive mean? Reproductive, it's like when cells from sperm and the cells from the egg is meeting or joining.
Okay, now we start from now we go to the SI. Wait.
What is the function of brightly colored petals? Help the flower reproduce. The function of brightly colored petal is like to attract the insect to come to the flower, and also it help reproduce. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction? The insect is the pollinators. It's like the insect come to the flower and explore the flower, and the pollen grain stuck into their body and transfer to another flower. So it helps the reproduction.
Okay, I see. Next question.
Okay.
Oh, here is the things, right?
Yes. Okay. In here we have a petal, stigma, ovary, and then this one is anther, this one is this one is stem,
Yeah.
sepal, this one,
Yeah.
and then this one is carpel,
No.
this one.
Oh no, it's not.
All of this one is carpel.
Carpal. Yeah.
Yeah, all of this one is carpal. It's like a woman. And then oval is in here. In here.
Okay.
Only that.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's clear for this part of the flower. Now we move to math. Okay. This is still about vectors. I think we can skip this one. How about mathematics? Okay, we can start from the question number 5.
Oh, selisih antara bilangan terbesar dari terkecil. Selisih antara bilangan terbesar dan terkecil dari 620.000, 602 dan 622.000 adalah 22.000.
Okay, next.
Buatlah dua bilangan caca yang terdiri dari 6 angka yang berbeda. Ada 167.784 dan 384.636. Ibu membeli 3 jenis barang sebagai berikut. Barang pertama ada 215, barang kedua 187, dan barang ketiga 232. Urutkan harga barang tersebut dari yang termurah hingga ke yang termahal. Dari yang termurah adalah 187.500, 215.000, dan 232.000.
Okay. Okay, Miss. I think for the first homework, it's clear. Now we move to the second homework. It means it will be checked from 21st, right?
Yes.
We can start from math. Okay, we can start from the just answer from the question number 2, Miss.
Number 2, what
Yeah.
is the next? What is the next prime number after 11? It's 13. Which number has exactly 2 factor 1 and itself? It's 33. And then it's 400 divisible by 100. It's yes.
Question number 3 is not correct actually, Miss.
33.
Yeah, it's not a prime number. 33 is not a prime number.
Next, what must be true for a number to be divisible
Sorry,
by
Miss. This question is not correct. I mean, number 3,
has 2 factor
1 and
33,
itself.
sir.
33 has 4 factors. Right?
Oh yes, sir. I think I will
Yeah, this 33
change.
has 4 factors, right? 1, 33, 11, and 3.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So the answer is 29.
Yeah, I said just now 29.
You just said 33.
The first one I said 29. They say what? And then I say B. 29, the first
Oh,
one I
29.
said.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I mishearing here. Okay, next question number 6.
What must be true for a number to be divisible by 100? It ends into 0.
Yeah.
Which of the following number is not divisible by 100? It's C. 950. 1,000 is divisible by which of the following? It's C. 10, 100, and 1,000.
Yeah. Okay, this one is.
An orchard harvests 2,556 apples. The apples packed in 6 boxes. Are there any apples left? there is no apples left because 2556 can divide by 6.
Okay.
From 0, 1, and 2, the smallest prime number is 2. Distribute or selected from a group, it's called uh, grouping. What is the definition? From number 4, 6, and 8, the smallest even composite number is 4.
Yeah, even composite number is 4. Next.
Make factors for 43 and 68. 68, then declare is prime and composite. 43 is a prime number, and then 68 is composite number.
So the factors.
Factors of 43 is 1 times 43, and then the 68 is 2 times 34, and then the second one is 3 times 17.
3 times 17.
17.
3 times 17? It's
Yeah.
51, right?
Or I think 4.
Yeah, 4 times 17.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, number 2. This one.
Which one is divisible by 6? It's 4,662.
4,662. Okay. Okay, now we move to science. Okay, we can start from the question number 1, please.
Okay, what is seed dispersal? Seed dispersal is like a seed, spreading seed away from the parent plant. Why do plants need seed dispersal? It's B, to avoid overcrowding and compete for life. Number 3, which of the following can help disperse seeds? It's wind. C. How do some fruits disperse their seed? By exploding. A.
Okay. Next.
What is germination? Germination is the process where seed grows into a young plant. Number 8, what must seed have to germinate properly? It's like air, water, and right temperature.
Okay, now part B.
Okay, the scattering of seed away from the parent plant is known as seed dispersal. Mention 4 various ways seed dispersed. Seed dispersed by animal, wind, wind and water.
Yeah.
Seed need what to germinate is water, light, and right temperature. What is the okay?
Okay. Okay, next. SI.
What is the function of brightly colored feather and help the flower reproduce? It's less like to attract the insect to come to the flower.
Okay, next.
And insect is number 2. Insect is important things because insect is pollinator that can help the flower to reproduce because it can transfer from the other part of the plant.
Okay, I see. Okay, miss, now we go to the next homework. Focus. Okay, I will check from here. Okay, Miss, for the next homework, this is about the digestion for science. We start from the question number 1. This is true or false question.
Okay, digestion start in the stomach. It's false because digestion start in the mouth. The esophagus help move food from the mouth to the stomach. Is it true? Because the esophagus like a bridge from our body to our body. The small intestine absorbs nutrient into the blood. Is it true? Because the function of the small intestines is to absorb the nutrient. The large intestine is where the digestion starts. It's false because digestion starts at the mouth. The anus is the last part of the digestive system. It is correct because the anus is the final part of the digestive system.
Okay.
Okay, what kind of food rich in vitamin and mineral? Food that rich in vitamin in mineral is like a broccoli and kind of vegetables. Digestion happen in the digestive system. What the process of breaking down, it's called digestive system. Digest, sorry. Too much fat can cause heart disease. What is the definition of undigested? Undigested is like not breaking down the food correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the digestion mean? Digestion mean is like when the food come into your body and process with the all part of the organ.
Yeah.
Mention 5 healthy food that you can find around you. 5 healthy food that we can around us is like egg, meat, cheese, vegetable, and kind of rice, carbohydrates.
Okay. Now we move to Mathematica. Baik, kita mulai dari pertanyaan pertama, Miss.
Oke, bilangan manakah yang merupakan bilangan prima? Ada B, 11. Faktor prima dari 24 adalah 2 dan 3. Manakah di bawah ini yang bukan bilangan prima? Yang bukan bilangan prima itu adalah 11. Hasil faktorisasi dari 42 itu adalah
Nomor 3, Miss, jawabannya?
manakah di bawah ini yang bukan bilangan prima? 9.
Ya.
Hasil faktorisasi prima dari 42 adalah A 2 kali 3 kali 7. Hasil faktorisasi prima dari 108 C 2 kali 2 kali 3 kali 3 kali 3.
Ya.
Bilangan manakah yang merupakan kelipatan persekutuan 3 dan 4? C 14. 3 kelipatan persekutuan pertama dari 5 dan 10 adalah B 10, 20, dan 30. Font faktor dari 20 akan menghasilkan bilangan prima 2 dan 5.
2 dan 5. Oke. Lanjut, Miss.
3, 6, 9, 18, dan 27 adalah kelipatan 3. Bilangan prima adalah bilangan yang hanya bisa atau yang hanya memiliki 2 faktor yaitu 1 dan bilangan itu sendiri. Hasil perkalian bilangan dengan angka lain disebut kelipatan. Faktorisasi adalah persekutuan atau kumpulan dari banyaknya faktor. Hasil perkalian bilangan dengan angka lain sama, kelipatan. Ayo memiliki keranjang buah sebanyak 10. Keranjang itu akan diisi dengan buah apel yang sama banyak. Setelah dimuat atau disusun, jumlah buahnya adalah 200. Berapa isi keranjang setiap buah? Pertanyaan ini adalah pertanyaan tentang membuat pola kalimat matematika. Nah, jika bertemu dengan soal seperti ini, kita dapat melihat bahwa jumlahnya adalah 200. Kita buat dulu baloknya atau kotaknya. Di sini kita buat 200 sebagai jumlah keseluruhan. Lalu di sini ada 10 buah. Jika dalam kalimat matematikanya itu adalah 10 dikali berapa mendapatkan 200. Maka dapat dibagi, di sini adalah 10 dan di sini adalah 200 dibagi dengan 10 sama dengan 20.
Oke.
Dekomposisikan bilangan ini yaitu 60.000 dan ribuan, 200, 80, dan 1.
Ya. Okay, Miss. I think we can move to the next homework. So for this next homework, I will take it from the last week. Yeah, we can start from mathematical first.
Ya.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Bilangan manakah yang merupakan bilangan prima, yaitu B11, faktor dari 24 adalah 2 dan 3. Manakah di bawah ini yang bukan bilangan prima, yaitu 9. Lampu taman menyala setiap 6 menit dan lampu jalan menyala setiap 8 menit. Lalu kapan mereka akan menyala bersamaan, berarti mencari KPK dari 8 dan 6 itu adalah ini sama-sama dibagi 2, 4, 3, lalu 3, di sini 4, ini 1, lalu 4 dapat 1 dan sorry 2, di sini dapat 2, di sini 3, lalu 2 kembali karena masih dapat dibagikan kembali, lalu di sini 1, di sini 3, lalu 3, dapatlah 1 dan 1. KPK-nya adalah 2 dikali 2 dikali 2 dikali 3 sama dengan 24. Jadi jam 7 ditambah 24 menit sama dengan 7.24.
Oke. 7.24. Lanjut Miss, nomor 7.
Di kebun ada 16 bunga mawar dan 20 bunga. Setiap baris berapa bunga yang terbanyak, berarti mencari FPB. FPB dari 16 dan 20 itu ada 4.
4. Jadi jawabannya?
Yes, sir. 16 dan 20 dapat dibagi 2, 16 dibagi 2 itu 8, 20 bagi 2 sama dengan 10, 8 dibagi 2 itu 4, 10 bagi 2 5, lalu 2, 4 masih bisa dibagi 2 sama dengan 2, ini 1, lalu masih bisa dibagi 2, sorry, ini 5, ini 1, ini 5, dan 5. FPB-nya adalah ini, ya 4.
4, jadi jawabannya?
4.
Tapi kan soal yang ditanya itu berapa bunga per baris.
Oh, kalau berapa banyak bunga yang dapat, yang mungkin itu 16 dibagi 4 sama dengan 16 bunga per baris 5, Sir.
Ya, jawabannya berarti 5 ya. Oke, nomor 8.
Kakak mau membuat 18 kue coklat dan 24 permen. Berapa plastik terbanyak yang bisa dibuat, yaitu 6.
Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe we can move to science now. Okay, we can start on this question.
Okay, owls use their sharp sense of hearing to hunt at night. It's correct because owls can using the sub-sense of hearing. Eagle use their sub-sense of smell to find prey. Is it false? Because eagle only have the sub-sense of sight. Some predator like snakes, tarantulas, and use venom to poison their prey. Is it true? Because snake and tarantulas use venom to make weaken their prey. Rabbits and deer have large ears to detect danger from different directions. Is it true? Because rabbits have a long and large ear to receive sound from other directions. Tortoises protect themselves by hiding inside their cells. Is it true? Because their cell is hard and not easy to broken. Some predator use blank to able its camouflage. What sense does an owl to hunt at night? Is it a small sub-sense of sight and then sub-sense of hearing? What the function of large ear rabbit and deer? The function of large ear rabbit and deer is to receive the sound or voices from other directions. Animals hunted by predators for sustenance, it's called a prey.
Prey, yeah. Next question.
What the function of heart cells and spines from prey animal? The function of heart cells and spines is to protect them by the predator, and then heart shell it's not easy to broken, and spines is sharp, so will not get eaten easily by a predator. What adaptation do predator have? Predator have special features. It's like can run quickly and then can hiding with or camouflage and also have a sharp teeth.
Oh yeah, the sharp teeth.
What adaptation do prey have? Adaptation do prey have? It's like can hide camouflage to avoid being seen by other predator and also prey have like ability to hiding to hear sound from the other directions.
Okay, next.
Explain two different adaptation of predator have two different. The predator have to catch their prey. The predator using like ability to quick of run and also have a sharp teeth to catch their prey. Explain two different adaptation the prey have to protect themselves. It's using the spines and sharp cells.
Okay. Yeah, for this animal adaptation, I think that is quite clear for me. And yeah, I have asked from the some homework here for the preparation of the review homework next week, and I think that is all for our evolution today, Miss. Thank you.